Hi, and welcome back. In Kummertau, Russia, this is Kummertau, Russia, the Russian flag. In Kummertau, Russia, the main industrial hub is a plant. This is an industrial plant. So the main industrial hub has many plants. Like this. The main industrial hub is a plant that makes helicopters. Whoop, I lost it. That makes helicopters. So the plant makes helicopters. Also, in Kummertau, Russia, horsemeat is a traditional cuisine there. So because this plant makes helicopters and people in Kummertau, Russia eat horsemeat, the people had a strange idea. They attempted to make the world's biggest horsemeat helicopter. So this helicopter was made out of horsemeat sausages and other horsemeat products. And it measured 3.5, well, it measured more than 3.5 meters long and about 1.8 meters high. And it weighed about 120 kilograms. The helicopter's blades rotated, and the people proudly showed off the helicopter to the crowd and to local chefs. And people in the crowd took pictures and took selfies with the helicopter. Experts measured the helicopter to see if it was big enough to be in a local record book with the biggest horsemeat helicopters. Nobody was allowed to nibble on the horsemeat helicopter until the experts were done measuring. All right, I hope you enjoyed the story. See you next time.